Hi, good morning everybody. So we have been featuring our water pearls. I don't know if you can see what we have here on the table. A client just came in this morning and she bought a setup from us before, and now that Christmas is coming, she wants to change her decor on her table. So we are setting up something for you. Just wanted to see the progress. It's not completely done yet. We just put in the water pearls with the large pearl beads. So in another couple minutes, or probably another half an hour or less, we'll show you what the progress is. We are currently setting up another one for another client. It's going to be royal blue and gold. That's the color scheme that she's going with. So this is what the beads actually look like when they start to swell. This is what they look like before. And I'm going to do another video showing you what the progress is. This is what the gold beads look like. We're going to add them to the container. And then we're going to add water. And then you'll see what they actually look like. As you can see here, just giving you a closer look, the beads will soon start to float. The water pearls are swelling, so the beads will actually start to float. Actually, one is already floating already, just to see what it looks like. So in another 20 minutes or so, I'll do another video showing you how the progress is so far, especially for this with the royal blue and gold, which I think is going to be very beautiful. And with these, we're going to add floating candles. And these are what actually customers are not even using for weddings. They are using it at home on their dinner table just to give the table an added look. And you can get the water beads and the pearls in any color from us. Again, we're located by Eden Gardens on 39 Lady Musgrave Road. And we can set them up for you once you come into the office. So you can make an appointment to come into the office and we will do the setup for you. So check back with us in like another 30 minutes and I'll do another live video so you can see the progress of what the containers actually look like. And remember, we have these on sale at the office. The water pearls are 150 Jamaican dollars per ounce. And an ounce does about 4 of these containers that I'm showing you, right? So you can spend $800 and do a nice set, or you can just spend $150 and do a set of 3, all right? And the cost does not include the cost of the containers or the large beads. It's just the cost of the water pearls that actually float the other beads, all right? So join back with us in another 30 minutes to see what the progress is.